Siqala ke kuyibhola likanobhutshuzwayo sithola ke ezithi Hugo Bruce uqinisekise ke iqembu lakhe labadlali abangama-26 abazoya kwindebe yomhlaba. Lelo qembu ke kwathi ngokuhamba kwesikhathi lathola ke ukuvaleliswa njengamaqhawe abalandeli ngaphambi komdlalo walo ogcina wobungani kanye nokulibangisa eMexico.
Hugo Bruce ulibhengezile iqela lakhe liya kwindebe yehlabathi ka-2026. Qela elo linabadlali abangama-26. Ukanti kuye kwakho nomsitho nalapha abalandeli bangamakhulukhulu baye banikwa ithuba lokuthi indlela ntle kuBafana Bafana.
So I think Bafana Bafana has a strong team, considering the people that I've seen today. Your Tebogo Mokoena, you know, they're really good individually. One person who I was expecting to see was Thembinkosi Lorch. We saw him Club World Cup, yeah. So that's one player who I thought I was going to see today. But Bafana Bafana, I think we have a good team.
Look, if they believe they can, and I think the crux of the matter is if you believe you can do something, you know, you fight hard, you take it tooth and nail, you definitely can get to achieve that what you want to achieve. So the most important thing is the self-belief which I've seen in them today, which gives me that confidence to say they can actually make it there. They must just have no self-doubts, no self-preservations. They must just push and give it their all. And I think all of these rallies that where they go to and we give them support, it actually builds their morale. It actually builds them to say, you know what, actually we can actually do this thing and we can actually bring much more glory to our African continent as South Africa.
Angeke nje siphume bas eliminated from the group stages. We will continue since we have displayed major talent this year. Season year 2 was very well, so I believe ukuthi maybe nakuma same nje sizofika.
Ayina choice, kumele iwin. Angithi manje ibi country elokilanda ama stars bona, so nje kumele iwin, abana choice. I wish them all the best, and I think as a country we just need to be, you know, behind them full force. They are the best, they can do good. They just need us to also, you know, give them much more confidence. And the more confidence we have on them, uzobona bayosibonisa imihlolo.
Kungekudala iBafana iza kundingela eMexico yelungiselela ukuthatha inxaxheba kule ndebe yehlabathi izayo. Kodwa ngaphambi koko iza kukhe iqhoqhoze neNicaragua kumdlalo obuhlobo. Ndinguthami Manganyo, Indaba Zemidlalo kwiSoweto TV.